of the CD and press it in, and then we'll place it down and press it down as far as it will go so we have it flush with the outside of the washer like this. We'll repeat the process for the other 3 CD wheels, inserting the rubber washer into them and making sure they're flush. For each of the 4 CD wheels, we need to be sure that the rubber washer is attached securely to the CD. We'll use a couple drops of super glue or Insta-Cure glue, one on each side, attaching the rubber washer to the CD. Remember, when you're using super glue or Insta-Cure type glue, you need to be very careful not to get it on your fingers or onto anything that you don't want stuck together. Once the glue has dried, we'll slip one of the wheels onto each end of each axle. We'll place the axle into the center of the rubber washer and gently push with a twisting motion, sliding the CD wheel onto the axle. We'll repeat the process for the other 3 wheels. At this point, we have a vehicle with 4 wheels that rolls very well, but it has no power. So at this point, we're going to want to add some power to it, or some energy, and that energy is going to take the form of a mousetrap. We're ready to put the mousetrap onto the vehicle chassis, and remember, we marked the side rails as to where the front of the vehicle is. So this end of the vehicle is the front. We'll want the snap part of the mousetrap to be towards the front of the vehicle, which includes this lever arm being towards the front of the vehicle. And we want to position it so it's slightly to one side, with this lever arm being more towards the center of this piece of wood. We're going to put it in this position, and you could cool melt glue it, but we're going to use machine screws so that you can change the location of this mousetrap back and forth on here and see if it will make a difference in how far your mousetrap will go. We'll mark the location where we're going to drill the holes. We'll go ahead and use our hand drill, and we'll carefully position the drill